What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fool Nelson Eats a Lot. I'm your host that eats the most. It's your boy Fool Nelson. Today we're chilling beautiful outdoors, hanging out at the river, just doing our thing. Look how beautiful this is. That's my boy Ryan. You might recognize him from the Corpus Christi video. We're on the river and we're just doing our thing, baby. We're out here vibing. So what are we about to check out, bro? What is this spot?
Bubba's Deck. It's on the Guadalupe River in Braunfels.
Bubba's Deck. We're gonna have to go check them out. It looks like a legit spot. You ready to eat up? Yo, let's go.
So either one, and then they'll have chips inside of them. So it gives you a little meal that you can munch on.
And how big is that baked potato? Pretty big?
Most of them are pretty decent size, but they're going to come with chopped brisket on top, a little bit of cheese, and then you'll have sour cream and butter.
Damn. Well, because if we're going to eat up here, I'm going to need a drink.
Slider.
The food comes out and it's looking phenomenal. Potatoes stuffed with brisket and sausage, potato salad looking excellent, and the drinks are cold. Fresh potato salad from Bubba's Big Deck. Look at the dill in there. I'm really excited to taste the flavor, see what it tastes like. I see a little chopped celery in there. Ain't nothing left to do but to do it. Let's go. We're gonna check out the brisket. Look at this little delicious piece with some burnt end and some tender end. Let's go.
I'll take the sour cream, Brian. We don't want it.
Such a smoky flavor.
Oh my god.
Tender, juicy.
Where's the salt? Where's the salt? Where's the
Great
salt?
seasoning. Love it. He's Salt Bay, Salt Bay. We didn't try it with the barbecue sauce, so we dipped it. Now we gonna see what it is, baby.
There's some good fucking oh god, daddy.
Boom! That's it, guys, for my review of Bubba's Big Deck. Big Deck, big flavor, big food, big prices. It was a little pricey, but they actually delivered on the food. Delicious, tender, juicy, barbecue sauce squirting all over me. I loved it. Sweet, tangy, delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. Let YouTube know I'm doing a good job. And if this is your first time here to the channel and you love seeing brand new food reviews, exploring new flavors like this, and learning how to save money at your favorite restaurants, maybe think about subscribing and tap the bell so you don't miss a thing. I'm your host, Fool Nelson. I had a lot of fun with this one, and I'll see you on the next one, Boom Squad. Boom!